Hi, I'm Rachel from TLAB at the Alto Library, and today we're going to make chocolate raspberry cupcakes for Valentine's Day. So grab your apron and let's get baking. The ingredients you'll need for the cupcakes are 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of unsweetened natural cocoa powder, 3/4 a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 a teaspoon of salt, 2 large eggs at room temperature, half a cup of granulated white sugar, half a cup of packed brown sugar, half a cup of vegetable or canola oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of buttermilk, and 1 pint of raspberries. For the chocolate whipped cream, you'll need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. You'll also need a hand or stand mixer, about 12 to 14 cupcake liners, a muffin tin, and 3 mixing bowls of different sizes. To start, whisk the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and salt together in a medium bowl until thoroughly combined. Set this aside, and then in a large bowl, whisk the granulated sugar, brown sugar, eggs, oil, and vanilla extract together until combined. Dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and whisk. And then pour in half of the buttermilk and whisk again. Repeat with the remaining dry ingredients and buttermilk until just combined. Then preheat your oven to 350 degrees and line your muffin pan with cupcake liners. Next, spoon or pour the batter into the liners. Only fill the liners halfway to avoid spilling or sinking. Push 2 raspberries into the center of each cupcake. And then bake for 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While the cupcakes are in the oven, start on the chocolate whipped cream. To make the whipped cream, pour your heavy cream, sugar, vanilla, and cocoa powder into a small bowl. Beat it with an electric mixer for 4 to 5 minutes or until stiff peaks form.
A few moments later.
Spoon the whipped cream into a plastic bag and put it in the fridge. You can also use a piping bag if you have one, but an ordinary plastic bag works just fine. Once your cupcakes are baked, allow them to cool completely before frosting them. Applying whipped cream or frosting to a warm cupcake will result in a melty mess. Once they are cool, take your whipped cream out of the fridge and cut off one of the corners of the plastic bag. Apply the whipped cream onto each cupcake in a circular piping motion. Top each cupcake with an extra raspberry or 2. And there you go, delicious chocolate and raspberry Valentine's Day cupcakes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to follow us on all our socials at Palo Library. Bye! Thanks for watching!